Hey, it's Ian, and today I have the Bluetooth speaker and wireless earbud combo. Now this is perfect for people who love listening to audio and is always on the go. Now what you'll love about this is that it will ensure you're ready for anything, whether you want to listen to music with your friends at a party or listening to music alone so you don't disturb others. Now this speaker is built for endurance because it has an impressively long battery life of 13 to 15 hours. And you have the media control keys, which allows you to control your music straight from the speaker. Now one of my favorite things about this is the color changing LED light ring, which sets the perfect ambiance for any setting. And to make it extra portable, it includes a carabiner to attach to any belt loop or backpack. While everyone will be super impressed by how great this speaker sounds, they'll be even more amazed when you flip it over to reveal the earbuds hidden inside. And just like the speaker, these earbuds are high quality and sound great. Not only do they include onboard media control keys, but they also include an onboard microphone, which allows you to make and receive phone calls. Best of all, the speaker doubles as a power bank for the earbuds, and when you need to charge up the speaker, use the included USB-C charger. With music streaming, podcasts, and audiobooks becoming more and more popular these days, this is a must-have item for any household. So make sure you head on over to the site and see what amazing deal we have in store for you today.